Welcome to another episode of Chef de Cuisine by the School of Culinary Arts, Superior University. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट फुरकान लतीफ़ जौहरी और हमारे आज का एपिसोड जिस तरह आप देख सकते हैं मैंने आज शेफ़ कोट नहीं पहना हुआ। यूजुअली मेरे हर एपिसोड में मैंने शेफ़ कोट पहना होता है और हम स्टार्ट वहाँ से करते हैं एंड आई एम कुकिंग। बट आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा स्पेशल है। आज मैं खाना नहीं बना रहा क्योंकि इतने एपिसोड से मैं खाना बना रहा हूँ तो यार मुझे भी थोड़ा सा ना सुकून मिलना चाहिए। तो टुडे आई एम नॉट गोना बी कुकिंग बट टुडे वी हैव टू प्रोफेशनल शेफ्स who are going to be cooking. So ये दूसरा इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट है कि हमारे पास आज एक गेस्ट नहीं है, हमारे पास आज दो गेस्ट हैं और मैं आज खाऊंगा और मैं आज देखूंगा और वो आज खाना बनाएंगे। मतलब जो मैं कर रहा था एपिसोड में आज मैं इनसे करा रहा हूँ। They are professional cooks. They are very well known. उनका एक they have been in the industry for about 7 years. They run their own cooking classes. They have won many competitions. They are in the Pakistan national culinary team. So without any further ado, please welcome Ms. Aisha Sarwar and Sidra Shahid.
Thank you. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having us. Really
We're all
good.
wearing black. थोड़ा mix.
Yeah.
But ठीक है मतलब मुझे नहीं पता.
Well coordinated.
Well coordinated.
Yeah.
Yes. So, all good?
Yeah, everything is good.
तो जनरली हमारे शो में क्या होता है कि यूजुअली वी कॉल अ गेस्ट who's
Okay.
a celebrity, who's a foodie person, anybody from the industry, from the culinary industry या
Yeah.
फैशन इंडस्ट्री, कोई भी हो सकता है
Okay.
क्योंकि हम सबका कहीं ना कहीं खाने से कोई ना कोई रिलेशन होता है।
True, absolutely.
तो यूजुअली ये होता है कि मैं बनाता हूँ बट आज इतने एपिसोड्स के बाद हमने सोचा कि यार आज इन लोगों ने सोचा कि मुझे थोड़ा सा सुकून देते हैं।
Let's turn the tables.
Let's turn the table.
Yeah.
Exactly. So today I'm not going to be cooking, so they are going to be cooking. क्योंकि हमारे
Yeah.
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है
Yeah.
और वैसे भी they're going to look at professional chefs कि वो जिस तरह इंडस्ट्री में या जिस तरह से काम करते हैं किस तरह से होता है। So tell us what are you going to cook today for us?
Okay, so today I'll be making a dessert.
ठीक है।
So it's my take on the traditional Pakistani meetha, traditional mithai that is cham cham, very well known. So we'll be transforming that into completely different thing. We'll be doing cham cham panna cotta today.
Okay. So just for the audience, just
Yeah.
explain them what's a panna cotta.
Okay, panna cotta is a classic Italian dessert. It is simply known as cooked cream. And trust me,
yes.
it's nothing but
Nothing fancy.
nothing
It's
but
the name. It's the
cooked
name.
cream. But around the world, in all the fine dining restaurants, you were going to get panna cotta, but in a very different manner.
Different way.
So we're going to take that concept and take our traditional meetha and fuse that together to bring you all a very different fine dining type of a dessert.
Okay, so start करें।
Yeah, let's get started.
और मैं साथ साथ आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछता रहूँगा
Yeah,
ताकि
sure.
our audience would know about you और our students would know और especially कि उनको experiences आपके पता लगे कि like how did
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
came and since you are cooking I'll just keep on asking her तो हम conversation कर सकते हैं and she can do the cooking.
Yeah,
but obviously
that's
we'll
fine.
help you.
Okay,
Whenever
sure,
you need the
sure.
help, we are still there.
Yeah, I'll be needing a lot of help. So yeah, I want you guys to
हम
be at
आपको
my
छोड़ेंगे नहीं
disposal.
अकेला,
Okay.
हम help करेंगे।
Okay, that's perfect.
So we're gonna start with what first?
Okay, so first of all, we're gonna make the panna cotta because that's one element that requires time to set.
ठीक है।
Okay, so because we'll be setting it with a setting agent, so that's the first thing that we're gonna make.
ठीक है।
So I think let's get started with that.
Perfect.
Okay, so here are the ingredients that we require for panna cotta. Okay, now for the panna cotta again, we are doing very different thing here. We are doing cold infusion. So we have sugar here. Here we have some milk and our gelatin. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to sprinkle my gelatin over my milk,
milk, ठीक है।
because I want it to bloom. So for that I need a saucepan.
There you go.
Yeah. So okay, we'll be cooking it on a very, very, very low flame because we don't want don't have to bring our panna cotta to boil.
To boil,
ठीक है? Because अगर हम इसमें जब gelatin डालेंगे, we don't want their protein structure to break and वो फिर set नहीं होगा. We want to cook it on a very low flame.
I'll just turn this on for you.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm going to sprinkle some sugar.
Okay, great. अच्छा, the reason of using granulated sugar and not caster sugar या powdered sugar?
No as such reason. वैसे जो हमारी caster sugar होती है, it has more water content in it. So I like एक तो granulated sugar because we are using grammage here. ठीक है? So हमें एक certain मीठा चाहिए because of course there's a lot of meat already going on. The khoya has its own natural sweetness,
yes.
and then cardamom pod adds the back of the mind. वो आपके tongue पे sweetness add कर रही होती है. Like there are different spices and different जो आपके condiments या aromatics होते हैं उनकी different एक आपका एक taste आता है. So the cardamom for me it always give you the sweetness to your taste buds.
Just for the audience, जितने भी ingredients आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, they're all measured. The reason being, I always say this कि जब cooking है ना, cooking is all about taste. But when it comes to baking या pastry ना, it's all about science. You have to be very precise with grammage. तो अगर मैं आपको नहीं भी बता रहे ना कि यार 2 ग्राम है या 5 ग्राम है,
Exactly.
in the episode you will see the recipe. We will give you the recipe for that because उसकी I know कि बेकिंग के लिए आपको स्पेसिफिक रेसिपी चाहिए?
Yeah, I think for the accurate dessert making, for accurate आपने baking करनी है, desserts बनाने आपके लिए बहुत important है that you go for grammage. There are a lot of students who come to us as well and they say, okay, please ये recipe को convert कर. Then I was like, you won't going to get result. All you have to do is to invest into a scale, and that's about it.
Okay. Since she's cooking, I'll
Yeah.
ask you something. Like,
Sure.
Are you friends, related somehow, or how did you meet? How did it all started?
Well, the story goes way behind that. I think 15 years now.
Yeah, almost.
More than a decade.
Now you basically
Yeah.
basically family. अब वो दोस्त
Yeah.
Yeah, it
family.
is family
15
friends,
साल हो गए, हाँ.
best friend, sister life.
Yeah.
So, and then we started on with our own business, and mashallah, we're doing pretty good because when two minds, great minds, become
Combine.
one, so a lot of miracles
हाँ,
happen. then.
creativity कभी कुछ आपको समझ नहीं आता तो she
Yeah,
comes, "Oh,
absolutely.
यार, होता है
Yeah, so we are always, exchanging ideas, and we are kind of crazy chefs. We always say that we think out of the box. So this is one of the things that people actually know about us, know Cooking 101, like
Yeah.
what we are actually doing. And people, our clientele, our students always wait for us कि कुछ ऐसा आएगा जो पहले नहीं आया,
हटके है।
Yeah,
बहुत हटकर
absolutely.
है, बहुत different होगा.
Yeah.
Okay, just for the audience, tell them about Cooking 101, what Cooking 101 does, and how they can approach you or for the classes, because I know that you give classes as well.
Yeah, we
so
do.
उसके लिए how do anything for the audience?
Well, it's really easy. We guys are available 24/7 on our Instagram and Facebook handles by Cooking Classes 101. Our major forte of the company is to teach classes. So 101 is basically the basics.
The initial course.
Yeah,
that you take.
initial.
So that was the idea that
And
came. Yeah.
ठीक है.
I think what makes us different from other companies is that we cater all kinds of cuisines.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
We can make anything. I mean, you name it, we do it. It's not exaggeration. It's actually the truth.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So yeah, we try to elevate, we try to educate ourselves because life is all about learning.
Learning. Yeah.
Learning.
Learning.
And
should
learning never
end.
ends.
Always
Yeah.
till the end.
So we are always taking up challenges, and we give classes on weekend basis. You can even join our monthly courses.
ठीक है.
That's
Yeah.
also happening on weekends
And we-
because most of our clientele is students, or they are like working professionals from different restaurants, even housewives,
Home-based
doctors,
bakers, yeah.
home-based bakers. Exactly. The other thing that we are catering in our company is a restaurant consultancy.
Consultancy, okay.
Yeah, we have done handful of projects,
Yeah.
given them something that is really different, that's not happening in our country. So I think Pakistani people need something that is different, but something that they can actually relate to.
Okay.
So as you can see, जिसका आपको पता है कि when you're a professional cook, इतनी सारी चीज़ें आपके पास करने के लिए, मतलब आप एक जगह नहीं रुक सकते.
True.
There are so many things to explore, so many different cuisines, different ingredients to play with, और different चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. आप consultancy दे सकते हैं, आप classes दे सकते हैं, आप recipe development कर सकते हैं. And this is somewhat where we come in as well. मतलब School of Culinary Arts हम प्रोफेशनल डिग्री दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, वी गिविंग एन HEC रिकॉग्नाइज्ड डिग्री, प्लस हम आपको कंसल्टेंसी और ये सब चीज़ें, दिस आर ऑल कमिंग इन द फ्यूचर, एंड प्लस वी कॉल प्रोफेशनल शेफ्स लाइक दीज, और हमारा आगे प्लान है टू हैव कोलैबोरेशंस विद देम, एंड यू नो दे कैन कम हियर, यू कैन कम हियर एंड टीच आवर स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल. आई वांट द स्टूडेंट्स टू लर्न फ्रॉम प्रोफेशनल शेफ्स जो मार्केट में है, जो हैव सम एक्सपीरियंस, हु हैव लर्न, जैसे होता है ना कि हम गलतियां कर कर सीखते हैं, सो आई डोंट वांट द स्टूडेंट्स टू मेक दोस मिस्टेक्स.
That is actually my motto. I always tell in my speeches, I always tell to my students as well, which I learned from my teacher. गलती आपका एक ऐसी टीचर है जो आपको करनी चाहिए और उससे आपको बेहतरी
Yeah, that's the
सीखने
biggest
को
lesson.
मिलता
Biggest
है.
lesson is-
आपको वो किसी बुक में नहीं मिलेगा,
बिल्कुल ऐसे.
आपको एक्सपीरियंस उसी से आता है. You actually sometimes even if you see the history of culinary, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हम बहुत ज़्यादा शौक से
Yeah.
खाते हैं, like molten lava,
Just have to develop it.
exactly,
Yeah,
Caesar
mistakes.
salad.
Even market
Yeah.
so fancy. They are
These
actually
all
as
were
well.
mistakes in the history which we are enjoying now. So just make mistakes. You never know क्या आप क्या
क्या
invent
ऐसी
करते हो.
गलती करते हैं which becomes a hit.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's all about experimenting. It's all about being creative with food, being creative with ingredients.
Absolutely.
और just keep on trying. Just keep on trying. रुकना नहीं है. गलतियाँ आप हमेशा करेंगे. मैंने पहले भी कहा है, मैं दोबारा कहता हूँ. I had a chef who told me that you'll make mistakes every day in a kitchen, but it's not that you make mistakes. It's how you tackle them.
Exactly.
ठीक है. और
Okay.
अब वहाँ से इशारे आते हैं ब्रेक के, तो अब टाइम है ब्रेक का. एक ब्रेक लेते हैं. ब्रेक के बाद वापस आएंगे. विल कंटिन्यू विद द कन्वर्सेशन एंड द डिश. सो आई विल सी यू राइट आफ्टर अ ब्रेक. Okay, सो वेलकम बैक फ्रॉम द ब्रेक टू आवर शो जिसका नाम है शेफ द कुजीन और हमारे साथ मौजूद है आयशा और सिद्रा और आज मैं कुकिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आज मैं रिलैक्स कर रहा हूँ, आज मैं सिर्फ खाऊंगा और आज ये पका रही हैं एंड वी आर मेकिंग चमचम पैना कोटा व्हिच इज लाइक फ्यूजन फूड बिटवीन पाकिस्तानी फूड एंड इटालियन फूड। तो उन्होंने दोनों को मिक्स करके आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी क्रिएटिव आइडिया, इट्स अ वेरी क्रिएटिव डिश, so I'm honestly excited to taste it.
Okay,
to see how it
so
turns
our
out.
cham pana cotta is ready as well.
ठीक है।
इसको gelatin डाल के we're going to cook it until your gelatin is dissolved. So this we're going to go in the fridge and then we're going to move to our next element, that is our pistachio soil.
ठीक है।
Okay.
So this I'll put in the fridge.
Yeah, thank
and
you.
You can start with your
Soil.
salt.
Okay,
Okay.
so
what's next? The soil.
soil. For soil we need butter of course, ठीक है, and butter को हम melt कर लेंगे pan में.
ठीक है।
We just want it to, you know, nicely melt down. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So this is our soil that is done. ठीक है. अब इसको हम लोग transfer करेंगे to our baking dish.
ठीक है।
And this will going to bake at 110 degrees for about 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes depending upon the efficiency of your oven. The idea to bake it on a lower temperature is that because we don't want कि इसका color बहुत ज़्यादा change
don't
हो.
want the colour, you just want it to
I'm working with because when I make desserts I try to look for the color. So अभी हम लोग are playing with all the ivories, ठीक है. So we're keeping it, winter भी है तो we're keeping it all white and everything. Yeah. So we don't want and ये soil है, it's not a crumble, so it will be baked on a very low heat, ठीक है.
Like the difference is कि जिस तरह like it would be completely powdered. The low heat पे जब ये cook होगा ना ज़्यादा देर के लिए
Yeah.
तो ये बिल्कुल powder जिस तरह अभी है ना ये उसी तरह बिल्कुल powder shape में रहेगा. Thus the name soil. So it'll keep just like the soil.
Yeah, so this will be this we're going to go in the oven.
And you do not need to grease the baking
Yeah,
tray.
you don't need to grease
Otherwise ये
anything.
बहुत oily हो जाएगा. इसका भी butter इसके अंदर
butter
present है.
अंदर
Exactly.
डाला है.
It will gonna come out more then.
Okay, so yeah, we are done with this element as well.
In the oven.
Yeah, in the oven. Just one.
Okay, so the soil is in the oven.
Yeah.
Okay, now what we're going to do?
Okay, now we're going to make our coconut creme anglaise.
ठीक है.
Creme anglaise is like an English cream, बड़ा simple सा नाम है. It's custard की family से ही है, but ये British है, तो इसीलिए इसका नाम creme anglaise, हम इसको custard नहीं कह
Custard
सकते,
नहीं कह सकते.
ठीक है?
There's a difference between custard and creme
Yeah.
anglaise.
So it's like थोड़ा सा light होता है. It's used as a pourable sauce as well in a lot of desserts.
Exactly.
But यहाँ पे we're going to use it as a sauce element and we're going to use it in a different manner rather than.
Personally, one of my favorite things in it is creme anglaise. It's a very basic.
Yeah, very
but
basic, very
so
easy. But I
good.
think it elevates your dessert.
Everything,
Yeah.
exactly.
So here I have my 1 egg yolk.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. And यहाँ पर I have my combination of my heavy cream. Heavy cream आपकी normal जो cream मिलती है 35% fat content
साथ
that we usually get from the
More
market.
fat, the more heavy.
Exactly.
That's the
So we're going to use our heavy cream, our coconut milk here.
ठीक है.
Make sure कि आपका जो coconut milk है वो unsweetened. So in a saucepan, I'm going to add my coconut milk. Now this includes our coconut milk, heavy cream, salt and sugar. अगेन हम इसको बहुत लो हीट पे पकाएंगे बिकॉज कोकोनट मिल्क भी सेपरेट हो जाता
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही
है
है.
एंड आपकी क्रीम भी सेपरेट हो सकती है. सो बड़ा लो हीट पे आपने इसको मिक्स करना है. आयशा, आप ये कर लो.
जितने भी नॉन डेयरी मिल्क होते हैं दे एक्चुअली सेपरेट.
मैं डालता हूँ. डालता हूँ.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so Aisha is mixing the
Yeah.
coconut milk and everything, उसका जो emulsion है. Meanwhile यहाँ पर मेरे पास egg yolk है and I'm going to simply. So now you can see कि हमारी जो egg yolk है वो अच्छी सी pale है. Now Aisha is going to pour in the mixture
Very
stream में.
slowly. Yeah,
And this is the process that we call tempering. ठीक है. हम लोगों ने egg yolk का temperature और उसका temperature same रखना है. So steady stream में आप उसको डालें.
Otherwise your eggs will gonna be partially.
Yeah, you are going to get scramble omelette.
पक जाएगा अंडा आपका.
Yeah.
You have to cook your egg.
डाल दो
आपको
सारा.
बहुत slowly इसको ऐड करना है ताकि एक मिक्सचर बन जाए thick सा.
बेसिकली ट्रबल शूटिंग ऑलमोस्ट हर चीज़ की हो जाती है.
Yeah.
लेकिन इसकी टेम्परिंग की नहीं होती है.
होती
So
है.
you have to
So if you make that mistake, you have to start all over.
All over again.
आपको पता लग जाएगा कि उसके अंदर ना वो bits और डलियां सी ऐसे अंडे की ना वो
Exactly.
बन जाएंगे. So you know that.
And it has a very fatty उसका एक coating आ जाती है. Even when you eat it, it tastes
It
really
tastes
bad.
good, yes.
Okay, so now it's you can see it's nice. No lumps.
No lumps,
बिल्कुल
yeah.
ये साफ है. अब इसको I'm going to transfer it back to our saucepan.
Yes.
Because tempering से आपका egg का और आपकी जो cream है, the temperature is steady now.
Steady now, exactly.
ठीक है.
So basically what you have to do is you have to thicken it. That's why you'll be using the egg.
मेरे
You
को
have
उसको ना
to
whisk
cook the egg precisely. आपको इसको thick करना है अंडे के साथ.
Okay.
Let me do it for you.
So now we're just going to whisk it because थोड़ा सा thicken करने के लिए इसको हमें we're going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. Of course, it is not as thick as your creme pat, but of course
Has to be a saucy kind of a consistency. जब भी desserts बनाने हो उसके अंदर कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं. There has to be a main course like the dessert one. कुछ crunchy element होना चाहिए, कुछ moussey element होना चाहिए, and then of course our sauce.
It's like it's different textures.
Yeah.
Yeah, textures are very important. You need to play with your texture in every dish you are making. Yeah, be it savory, be it sweet, you need to have all your elements.
And to uplift the dish, क्योंकि we eat with our eyes.
Yeah,
So
presentation
yeah, the
matters a lot.
presentation comes.
थोड़े अच्छे elements नजर आते हैं.
Okay, so let me just scrape the sides. Now it is almost, see, now the consistency that we are looking for here is the nappe consistency. Again, a very fancy word. But what you do is that आपने
check it.
yeah, spatula से आपने इसको सिर्फ normal check करना and you see that it's not coming together.
So what we just put it in a bowl.
Yeah, so ongles are done. Is done. इसको आप contact filming करके, the contact filming means कि आपकी जो cling film है just touch, it should be touching the surface because you don't want the skin to form and let it rest completely because ये proper cool down होगा and then we're gonna use it in our dessert.
The reason of putting the film is अगर हम देखा जब आप दूध को या किसी भी चीज़ को रख देते हैं तो ऊपर एक लेयर
लेयर आ जाती है.
तो जब आप उसके बाद प्लास्टिक या कोई इस तरह की चीज़ रखेंगे ना तो वो जो फिल्म में जो लेयर है ना वो लेयर नहीं आएगी, will still stay
Exactly.
that very nice
Because you want it creamy and you don't want to use that layer, so it's better just use और गरम के ऊपर ही आपने वो cling film देना है. Otherwise आप wait करोगे तो वो skin already form हो जाएगी.
बहुत फौरन जल्दी से बनती है.
So इसको हम रखेंगे जैसे इसका smoke point खत्म होगा, we're gonna pop it in fridge as well for it to set. So this element is done and now we're gonna move to our coconut mousse.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो किसी बहुत से different elements है. This is जिस तरह अभी आप देख रहे हैं ना कि मतलब फटाफट वो कर रही है, but she has obviously gone through a very long thought process to come up with this dish. So that's the creativity that goes
Okay,
behind it.
so for the coconut mousse, here I have I'm making it with the white chocolate. ठीक है, because white chocolate and coconut very tropical goes really well together. So here I have my white chocolate combined with coconut cream. So पहले हमने coconut milk use किया था and now coconut cream because दोनों का flavor बड़ा different आता है. Yeah, so coconut milk has a more coconutty flavor to it, but cream थोड़ा
more creamier.
Exactly. So coconut cream हम इसमें use कर रहे हैं. There's a pinch of salt in it, and then we're going to be whipping our cream and folding in our mixture in it. So either we can microwave it.
क्योंकि हमारे ब्रेक का टाइम है तो हम ब्रेक लेंगे. तब तक हम इसको ओवन में रखेंगे, तब तक ये मेल्ट हो जाएगा. So let's take a short break and we'll see you right after the break.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome back from the break to our show जिसका नाम है Chef de Cuisine और आज हम बना रहे हैं एक चमचम panna cotta. So Aisha and Sidra with us. So basically ये बना रहे हैं, मैं तो सिर्फ खाऊंगा. So let's continue. What's our next step?
Okay, so chocolate और हमारा जो coconut cream है, yeah, melt हो गया है and you can see it's nice and smooth. You just want कि ये गरम ना हो because हमने इसको फिर end में अपने whipping cream में fold करना है. ठीक है? So here we have our whipping cream with a higher fat content. I'm gonna whip it until इसकी जो एक अच्छी सी foamy आ जाए. Medium peaks हमें basically इसके लिए चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, so Aisha will be doing
Aisha will do it.
Yeah. Okay, so meanwhile Aisha इसको कर रही है. I'm going to add few drops of coconut essence.
ठीक है.
Just for the because इसकी flavoring नहीं है. Just the smell and that's about it. Okay, now you can see कि whip करने के बाद उसकी consistency it's more shiny. And it's now we're gonna pop it in the fridge for it to set.
ठीक है.
ताकि फिर हम इसको end में we're gonna use for our plating as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is done.
So I'll just take this and I'll put it in the fridge.
Yeah.
कुछ काम थोड़ा बहुत तो मैं कर सकता हूँ.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that is in the fridge. So what's our next
Okay,
step?
now moving towards last element finally, and we'll be preparing our cardamom chantilly again. बड़ा fancy नाम है, लेकिन chantilly is basically basically a sweetened cream. ठीक है? Nothing else.
Fancy name. Or
So,
like the chef's term for it.
Yeah. So कुछ भी नहीं करना. ये हमारे पास whipping cream है, इसमें थोड़ी सी icing sugar डली हुई है, and now we're gonna add some cardamom powder to it. ठीक है? Make sure कि अच्छा fresh cardamom का powder बनाया है because we want कि उसका एक अच्छा
एक
taste आए.
taste आए.
But make sure to with the quantity because you don't want to overpower it.
हाँ.
Cardamom is a very strong
Very
spice.
strong. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ना वो बहुत ओवरपावर
Yeah.
आपके गले में लगता है.
Exactly,
ज़्यादा
because
इलायची है.
cardamom हमारे चमचम में भी जा रहा है, cardamom हम इसमें भी डाल रहे हैं, so this will just going to be the creamy element on the side,
okay.
just to accompany everything because coconut ज़्यादा हमारा ना हो जाए, so cardamom हम एक चीज़ ऐड करें but make sure कि बहुत ज़्यादा overpower आप उसको ना करें, ताकि for making it ready for our presentation. It's very important, your mise en place is very important, you need to have everything on your side,
Exactly.
ताकि आप because dessert में panna cotta बड़ा जल्दी फिर पिघलना शुरू होता है, अभी तो मौसम बेहतर है, but again you need to be very quick with these things.
And mise en place is basically a chef's term to have everything.
Everything,
ready. And it helps you. अगर आप ये करना शुरू करोगे ना, तो खाने से पहले आप सब कुछ अपनी चीज़ें रख लोगे. It will help you so much और आपका प्रोसेस इतना फास्ट और स्पीड अप हो जाएगा. तो वो जो आवाज़ारी होती है ना खाना पकाते हुए, वो खत्म हो जाएगी सारी.
So we are done with all of our elements and now time is for plating.
For plating up.
Yeah.
अच्छा, for before plating हम एक generally हमारे segment होता है जिसमें हम ना news देते हैं कोई भी. It could be anything related to the food industry,
Okay.
from any chef with any ingredient, anything which is food. So I have a news which is quite interesting. जिस तरह we know जैसे हमारे घर में सबके घर में ना बूढ़े लोग होते हैं और दांत का बड़ा इश्यूज होता है, खाया नहीं जाता उनसे और हम sometimes you eating that burger और आपको बुरा लग रहा होता है कि यार आप उनके सामने खा रहे हो and she can't eat
They're unable to eat it.
नहीं खा सकते, ठीक है ना. So that's Panasonic ने एक ऐसा
Okay.
कुकर निकाला है. It looks like a rice cooker,
Okay.
but it turns your chicken or your meat into like literally a mashed potato.
Oh wow,
It retains
nice.
the shape, so it will stay like a chicken breast, but you can just cut it like a potato.
Oh, that's
Like
nice.
it's that much
It's
tender.
Yeah.
that much technology. मतलब I think जो हम technology के बारे में news देते थे, हम बात करते थे
हाँ.
with lab grown meat and all that crap. I think this is
This
what
is actually technology
This
when it
is
comes to
technology.
food, yeah.
This is what technology should do because they
Yeah.
have created something जो किसी की help करेगी. So I think it's a very great innovation.
Absolutely, yeah.
और expensive भी नहीं है यार. It's just $400.
Yeah, for people who actually need it, I think it's a good
Exactly.
investment for them.
हाँ, it's a
Yeah,
good investment.
because
आपने-
खाना हमने रोज खाना है.
खाना रोज खाना
Yeah,
है,
so-
आपको बुरा लगता है. मतलब मुझे अक्सर औकात होता है मेरे घर पे नानी है and she has those teeth problems and sometimes she can't eat those, मतलब she can't
Yeah.
eat a crispy chicken और मतलब उस तरह की चीजें नहीं खा सकती.
Can't enjoy what we do,
Exactly, and
yeah.
I know that she loves that. तो हमें कोई ना कोई उसका कुछ ना कुछ करना होता है. With an invention like this, I think
I personally think that gifts like adding value to people's life should be the most
should be
important.
the most important thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
absolutely.
So
ये थी हमारी news. Let's start with the plating up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, let's plate up our dessert.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to add my anglaise.
Okay,
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मिडिल में हम इसको डालेंगे.
ठीक है.
फिर उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि ज़्यादा है कम है कितनी डल रही है and
ठीक
stuff. I'm just taking this random ढक्कन off a bowl and I'm just going to
Just going to press it.
yeah press it. ठीक है. So that's how you can do presentation with normal things at home that you have. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं
You
है
just have to
आपको.
be creative.
Yeah.
Everything.
And to
is-
just lift
can be
it up.
used. So you see,
Okay.
amazing.
So and now we have our
कलर एक डिफरेंट चीज
Yeah.
आ गई है.
we have our panna cotta.
सो जो हमने पैना कॉटा बेसिकली हमने उसमें सेट किया था हमने क्योंकि पैना कॉटा ने टाइम लेना था सेट होने में ऑलमोस्ट इट विल टेक एन आवर और समथिंग एंड वी
Yeah.
डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम बिकॉज़ वी आर शूटिंग तो हमने वी हैव मेड वन ऑलरेडी बिफोर और हमने उसको एक रेमिकन में सेट किया रेमिकन सॉरी एक
It's a ring.
इट्स अ रिंग
It's
बेसिकली
easy. अगर आपने रेमिकन से भी निकालना है, you just have to dip it in hot water.
वो निकल आएगा।
और थोड़ा सा नाइफ से कर दें because obviously हम इसको किसी चीज़ से ग्रीस नहीं कर रहे.
कर रहे हैं.
या मैंने इसको ऊपर नीचे दोनों से इसको प्लास्टिक रैप से सिक्योर किया हुआ था. So now placing it the way where you want it to be. ठीक है, press it down a bit, very carefully.
वेरी केयरफुली यस. और आपकी
this is a very critical moment.
I know this is a very critical moment.
With panna cotta, this is your moment of
आप
truth.
दुआएं पढ़ रहे होते हैं कि अल्लाह प्लीज प्लीज
Panna cotta na toute.
not today exactly.
So just make sure that you press it down very
Very
carefully.
nicely exactly.
You don't want it to crack or
और ये सब चीजें द थिकनेस ऑफ इट
Okay.
और वो कितना सा ये डिपेंड सी हाउ नाइस दिस इज और बड़े प्यार से निकला है.
yeah. I'm just going to add the soil at the edges of our platter.
ओके
ठीक है, securing around and you can see the colors. ठीक है,
Yes.
everything is coming nicely together and
डिफरेंट टेक्सचर
yeah.
डिफरेंट कलर्स वो कैसे
So-
कंबाइन हो रहे हैं ना दैट्स द आर्ट. As I
And-
say कि cooking और मतलब as a chef you're an artist and this is our art. So the plate is the canvas and she's doing the art on top of it.
Absolutely, and I think it depends upon you. Do whatever you feel like, do however you like.
That's your own
There is
creativity.
nothing right or wrong in this.
It's your own creativity basically कि आपको क्या कलर चाहिए, आपको किस तरह का डिजाइन चाहिए, किस तरह का स्टाइल चाहिए, सब सही है. But the one thing that you always have to make sure that it should taste good.
Yeah, that's the
first
most
thing you have
important
to
thing.
make sure कि आप taste पे concentrate करें, and then the presentation and everything would come, but focus on the taste.
I think this is the time जब आपका एक artist अंदर से
निकलता है,
जानता है. Otherwise the baking is complete science.
Okay, so now
And this is the
we
art
have our
form.
mousse here.
Okay.
I'm going to randomly pipe it.
So just play around with the textures, with the piping.
That's just how you like it. You have to just
Yeah.
अपने दिमाग से,
Yeah,
अपनी creativity
it's
से, however you
it's
want
your
it.
project.
हाँ, it's your project.
Yeah, so you know better how it's going to look
Copy
like.
नहीं करना. Don't copy what somebody else.
Take
is doing.
inspiration.
Take inspiration, exactly. But try to put something that is you on the plate.
To be honest, we also take inspiration.
everyone do.
Inspiration.
Everybody does.
But we are very proud when we are telling कि हमने inspired होकर ये dish बनाई.
So now we have different elements here. ठीक है. Most importantly, हमारी चमचम silver leaf के बगैर
नहीं पूरी होती है. So
incomplete
हमारे पास
है.
चांदी का वर्क है.
Yeah.
Which we're going to use.
So थोड़ा सा, because less is more in this case. Because you don't want it to, because it tastes good, you don't want to add a lot of stuff to it. Now here I have some dehydrated chumcham.
Okay.
ठीक है, ये चमचम डिहाइड्रेट हुई हुई है at 80 degree centigrade for 3 to 4 hours. उसका जो sugar सब कुछ डिहाइड्रेट हो गया. This is the crunch element that you're adding into it.
You can take another one.
So yeah.
What she did it, she took the चमचम और उन्होंने ओवन में इसको ना 80 डिग्रीज पे 3 से 4 घंटे बेक किया है. तो वो जो crispiness जो होगी ना चमचम की, ठीक है, it will dry out basically, but it will still retain a lot of flavor, but it will dehydrate जिसे हम कहते हैं.
Yeah. So just a bit, not more. Now we have some toasted coconut जिसको हम लोगों ने काटा हुआ है. I'm gonna place it over our coconut mousse as well. So just taking the elements and playing with the colors. So you can see that we are playing with ivory ki family, and we are just and I think that is it. It's done.
This is actually the moment of truth.
Yeah. So this is our plate and it's
So
done.
look at this. It looks amazing. It looks lovely. The way she और इतनी सारी चीजें बनी है and they've all come together on a plate.
On a
और कितनी
platter.
खूबसूरत लग रही है.
Yeah.
Thank you for this. अब मैं खाऊंगा आज.
Yeah.
मेरा आज डिनर खाने का आज मैं पकाने रहा हूँ. I'm so excited. कुछ कभी करना आपको एक सुकून चाहिए होता है. So
True.
let's just. I'm going to take the spoon. Yeah. Very nice यार. You can जो बात करी थी ना कि कोई भी चीज ओवर पावर नहीं है.
Yeah.
Everything is quite balanced. तो आपको you can get the coconut, you're getting the white chocolate, you're getting the crumble. आपको मूस का टेस्ट भी आ रहा है. तो even though इतना कुछ डला हुआ है, but it's so nicely balanced, it's so nicely formed. The texture और इतने different textures and you can have the creaminess, the
Yeah.
crunchiness. और वो सब कुछ ना बहुत एक मजे से combine हो रहा है and gives you a very nice जब ये होता है ना, I think as a chef भी
That's
that's the biggest compliment when somebody takes another bite.
That's the most rewarding thing you can get.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is good यार. ये मैं खा जाऊँगा. ये मैं खाऊँगा सारा. इन लोगों के लिए नहीं है आज ये. क्योंकि जब मैं पकाता हूँ तो सारे खाते हैं. आज मैं खाऊँगा. But
Kind of double treat for you.
Yeah.
thank you so much for this. This was amazing. This
Thank
was
you for
lovely.
having us. Thank you for having us.
It was a pleasure. हमने ज़्यादा खाने की बात नहीं की है आज.
Yeah.
But I get very excited when a chef comes to the show, because then you can talk with them about food और ऐसा की बातें
Absolutely,
होती हैं.
yeah.
So thank you.
Thank
मेरे
you.
मुंह में भी पानी आया हुआ है और बड़ा मज़े का है. So ये था हमारा आज का एपिसोड. अब हम चलते हैं हमारे रिव्यू की तरफ. जिस तरह हम रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं रिव्यू देते हैं. सो आप रिव्यू देखें. स्टूडियो से आज के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफिज़. सो आज हम आए हैं एक और रिव्यू लेके आपके पास, और जिस तरह आप देख सकते हैं वी आर हियर एट क्लब 313. और अभी ये रिसेंटली ओपन हुआ और ये मॉल टाउन की जो बैंक स्क्वायर मार्केट है ये यहाँ पे है. दे हैव वेरी अमेजिंग बर्गर्स एंड शेक्स. सो अंदर चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि व्हाट आर दे गोइंग टू सर्व अस और इनका मेन्यू क्या है एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बर्गर्स दे आर सर्विंग. सो लेट्स गो. ऑनेस्टली लव द एम्बियंस. इनके जो वॉल पे जो आर्ट हुई हुई है ना बेहतरीन है. लेकिन ये सब चीज़ अच्छी हैं. बट लेट्स जस्ट ऑर्डर द फूड और देखते हैं कि क्या. तो मैंने मेन्यू मंगवाया. मेन्यू चेक करते हैं कि क्या क्या ये दे रहे हैं एंड देन वील गो फॉर इट. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. सो दे हैव लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 8 टाइप के बीफ बर्गर्स, राइट? सो 8 टाइप के बीफ बर्गर्स हैं, एंड देन दे हैव दिस 2 चिकन बर्गर, लाइक क्रिस्पी चिकन बर्गर्स, लाइक वो जो फ्राइड चिकन नहीं होता, हम इनका बैंग बैंग बर्गर ट्राई करते हैं. आई थिंक इट्स ट्रिपल पैटी, तो बीफ और ट्रिपल पैटी बर्गर, मतलब इट्स अ मैच मेड इन हेवन. तो लेट्स ट्राई दिस. सर ये ले आए, और साथ कुछ पीने के क्या ऑप्शंस हैं इनके पास? ड्रिंक्स में दे हैव स्मूदीज, दे हैव चिलर्स. तो हम ऐसा करते हैं, हम विल ऑर्डर द ओरियो शेक. सो वी हैव द बीफ बर्गर एंड द ओरियो शेक. तो प्लीज, थैंक यू. I mean, look at this. अच्छा, एक और चीज़, if you're eating a burger, तो it is supposed to be messy. मतलब बर्गर इज़ योर कंफर्ट स्ट्रीट फूड. तो जो होता है ना, हम लोग कहते हैं कि यार बर्गर ना बड़ा सोफिस्टिकेटेड होना चाहिए. आई थिंक सॉसी ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, बट हाँ, इफ़ इट्स मेसी इट्स ओके यार, ईट योर बर्गर. The patty is very moist. I think जो मेन चीज़ होती है बर्गर के अंदर मेरे लिहाज से it's the beef. Beef burger के अंदर it's the patty, it's the beef. It should be juicy, it should be moist, and it should have that very nice beefy flavor. और it's not too much sauce नहीं है इसके अंदर यार, which is the perfect part. क्योंकि जनरली बर्गर के अंदर काफ़ी sauce होती है, तो वो ना it overtakes the flavor of the meat and the bun and everything. तो but ज़्यादा saucy नहीं, I can taste the cheese, I can taste the meat. तो amazing, very nice. I mean, balance बहुत अच्छा है between the sweetness. It's not too sweet and it has that Oreo taste, तो which I like. Generally Oreo shakes कई जगहों पे ना बहुत मीठे हो जाते हैं, तो वो ना एक बड़ा अजीब सा फ्लेवर आता है, but I think it's very nicely balanced. तो बहुत ज़्यादा यार, thumbs up, very nice.